I made a series of mistakes that led to this. A ripped Kioti bucket. And today we're going to attempt to fix it. Now, I'm no welder. I'm not even a welder when I use a grinder, but life is about learning. So we're going to attempt to fix it. How it started. If you look below, you'll see that nut. On these bolt-on attachments, they come with a nut. However, one fell off, and over time they keep falling off, and I just keep using them, and that create a rust spot on the bucket. As you can see, I have them on now, but the damage was already done. Not to mention, maybe bolt-on implements aren't the best idea, but if you need to use them, then that just might be something you need to do. So that would create damage to the bucket, as you can see. Bought this debris fork for the latest Hurricane Helene, and I'm in South Georgia. So I had a lot of trees I had to move. By doing that, I put a lot of weight on the corner of the bucket, coupled with the lack of using the proper nut. So that weakened the material, and now we have this crack. A few days ago, I was clearing land by moving some tree trunks, and I guess one of the bolts came loose, this one, and I tweaked the bucket. So when it came loose, the weight shifted and this one started to slide forward. So at that point, I went ahead and readjusted and fixed it. Later on, I had an issue with these pins. They would unlock, but then they wouldn't disengage and attach to the actual mechanism. So I was using the tractor, and when I went to dump debris, the entire bucket fell off because they weren't engaged. Now the handle went down, but it didn't engage at the bottom. So you have to make sure that you grease these and make sure that they're free. So by doing that, what happened is the bucket fell to the ground. I don't know if that had anything to do with it, but a few days later, while I was moving the logs, I recognized this crack. Tools for today consists of a Champion dual fuel 10,000 watt generator, we've got our PPE consisting of a welding gloves, helmet, and apron. We've got an angle grinder, a chip hammer, and a wire brush and metal chop saw, which I'll get later. The welder we'll be using today is a DEKOPRO stick welder, which is AC, DC, and we'll be using some E6013 welding rods. I'm told that these welding rods are great for beginners. So let's prepare the bucket for welding.
I got lost tonight under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost tonight under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. You see that you're leaving last night. You can't do it peacefully. You won't go without a fight. So when I go, I know you'll follow me. I don't want slamming doors. No, no, just wait and see. You'll feel it naturally. There's no one else I see. I know you'll follow me. I don't know how to take this. I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment. We're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. Yeah, we're stars, yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars, yeah, we're stars in the sky. I got lost tonight under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost tonight under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I don't know how to take this. I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment. We're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. You and I. Yeah, we're stars, yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars, yeah, we're stars in the sky. Last night, you can't do it peacefully. You won't go without a fight. So when I go, I know you'll follow me. I don't want slamming doors. No, no, just wait and see. You'll feel it naturally. There's no one else I see. I know you'll follow me. I don't know how to take this. I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment. We're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. You and I. Yeah, we're stars, yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars, yeah, we're stars in the sky.
So turns out it wasn't recording after all. So this is what it looks like now that I'm finished. I've added some extra material and I think it's okay. I think that's gonna hold for now. So this is what it looks like. The crack is no more. And I must say, I'm very happy with the result. Now, what I should have done was to add a piece of steel to the area where the fork clamps on to make it stronger. As you can see, there's a dent. And I may very well do that. That might be my next project. I did enjoy the welding. So thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.